Hey there, what is up everyone? In this video, we're going to be comparing the Apple AirPods versus these headphones, which are very similar looking to the Apple AirPods, and they're called the i7s TWS. So the Apple AirPods, as you know, they're around $159 right now at Apple and most other retailers that sell them. And you can get these AirPod lookalikes, the i7s TWS, you can get these for about $15 to $20 on Amazon. So in this video, we're going to be comparing them. I want to see how this compares to the actual Apple AirPods and see if they're any good, since the price difference is huge. These are about $160, these, let's say they're $20. That's $140 that you're going to be saving if they can compare up to the Apple AirPods. Alright, so first off guys, just want to let you know, if you are interested in checking these out, there's going to be a link down below in the description where you can go check them out on Amazon. Alright, so let's go ahead and open it up. Alright, so let's put the Apple AirPods to the side real quick because we're going to be opening up these right here, the i7s TWS. So let's see what they look like. Also, they do come in different colors. As you can see here, they come in white, black, red, gold, and pink. So let's take a look at the box here. So plain box here on all sides, and here on the back we have some basic specs on it and just a picture of what they look like. All right, let's go ahead and open it up. So here we have it. It comes in this case. It's a look-alike charger carrying case, like the Apple AirPods case. You know, you can already tell it's a lot bigger. Go ahead and get my AirPods out. So here we have the AirPods, and here we have the look-alike model. It's a lot bigger than the actual AirPods. Let's open it up. The headphones itself are a lot bigger as well. Let's take them out. Okay, and it looks like down here we're gonna have the charging pins as well. Put this to the side really quickly. What else comes in here? So it just looks like it comes with a manual here and the micro USB charger cable to charge the case. All right, so let's put all this to the side. So let's put these in here and see if it has any battery life. So let's press the button right here and see what happens. Yep, it does look like it has some battery life. You go ahead, powered on. It has a blue light down here and then a red light up here. All right, so let's go ahead and get it connected now with the iPhone so we can test it out. All right, so here we have it. Let's see how we can get it to show up here. So we're gonna open it up. Let's power it back on. So we're gonna have to take both of these out. I think we have to press both these buttons on it at the same time. And there we go. So both earbuds came up, so we're gonna connect to both. So it looks like this one is connected since it's blinking. So let's connect to the other one as well. And so it looks like they're both connected, as we can see here. Let's try them out. So since they are bigger, they feel a little bit weird in the ears. You know, they feel bigger in the ears. Let's go ahead and play some music and see how it sounds. Only one of them is playing, only this one right here is playing. So I gotta try and figure out now how to get the other side to play. Alright, so I finally figured out how to get both of them to work. So it can be done. They both work just like the AirPods at the same time, but it is a little bit of a headache to get it set up. So the very bad downside there, because the Apple AirPods, since they work perfectly with your iOS device, you know, it's a lot easier to connect, and you just follow the steps. When you open it, it shows up on the iPhone, and they both automatically connect, no problem. This, you actually have to like press a couple buttons a couple times to actually get them both synced together to work at the same time. But the sound quality is not so bad. I have the volume like in the middle, and it sounds pretty good. The audio doesn't sound as clear though as the Apple AirPods. I mean, the volume is pretty loud, but it doesn't sound as clear as the Apple AirPods. But for $20 headphones that are similar to the AirPods that come with a carrying case, it's definitely a good buy. Alright, so I'm gonna leave my phone here. It says that you can separate yourself 12 meters with these earbuds from your phone. So I'm gonna leave the phone and the case here. So I'm gonna see how far I can get away until they stop working. So let's see. Alright, so very impressive. It says on it that it has a 12-meter distance, so that you can be 12 meters away from your phone and they'll still work. But I actually counted 17 meters, and when I got to that at 16 meters it was still sounding good, and then when I got to 17 meters it started like kind of disconnecting and sounding bad, like it was gonna lose connection. So that's very good. I thought maybe that was false advertisement since this is a Chinese product, so very impressed about that. So let's go ahead and talk a little bit about the specs now. I'm gonna go ahead and go over some of the AirPod specs and compare it to these earbud specs, so we can see the differences between each one. Alright, so first off, like I mentioned, the price is a big factor here. So the i7s TWS, they're about $15-20. You can get it on Amazon. The Apple AirPods, they're $159. And you can get these at Apple or major retailers as well. A positive thing to these earbuds is that they work with iOS and Android. The Apple AirPods only work with iOS devices. So these earbuds, they claim to have a 1 to 2 hour charge time to get to 100% with the carrying case and the buds. And the Apple AirPods, you can actually charge the two AirPods. You can charge them with just 20 to 25 minutes of them being in the case. They'll get to 100%. Although for the actual case itself to get to 100%, it is going to take 1 to 2 hours as well. So they're both pretty similar there. So the listening time on this i7s earbuds, they claim to have 3 to 4 hours of listening time, while the Apple AirPods has 5 hours of listening time, and people have reported to even get up to 6 hours of listening time with the AirPods at 100%. So I'm not sure how many times this case will recharge the earbuds, because I couldn't find that information anywhere. But the Apple AirPods do claim to be able to charge the AirPods quite a few times and give it a total of 24 hours of full playback. So the battery on each of these earbuds they each have a 65 mAh battery inside, while the AirPods have a 93 mAh battery inside. So even though the Apple AirPods are smaller, they have a higher capacity battery inside them. Now the carrying cases, this i7s carrying case has a 950 mAh battery inside, while the Apple AirPods have a 398 mAh battery inside. Okay, so pretty big difference there. The battery in this i7s, they claim it's a lot bigger than the Apple AirPod battery, because this one is 950 mAh, this one is 398 mAh. So I'm not too sure about that. This is just the information I was able to pull offline. So I tested the distance on this. They claim 12 meters, although by my test I was able to walk up to 17 meters. The Apple AirPods online, they claim to have a total distance of 10 meters. So just a little bit less. I didn't actually do the test with the Apple AirPods. I'm pretty sure that it's going to surpass that. And then another positive thing about the Apple AirPods is that it is IP55 rated, so it is water and dust resistant. Alright everyone, so that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. If you did, please go ahead and give it a like. If you enjoyed it, it really helps the video out a lot. And like I said, if you're interested in getting either this i7s TWS earbuds, we're going to have the link down below, and also for the original Apple AirPods as well. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you around in the next one. Peace.